Hi everyone, my name is Amrit. Today I'm going to show you some stream exercise solution. In this video, we're not going to discuss about how stream works or how to write lambda expression. In this video, we're going to discuss some exercise solutions only. If you want to learn streams, check the streams video in my channel. I will add the video link in my description. Now, without wasting more time, let's see which problems we are going to solve today. So, these are the list of questions we are going to solve today. The first one is print person list using streams. Okay, so let's try to solve this one. So now let's open our IDE. Now let's try to solve this. So in this IDE, if you see, we have a method that returns the list of persons. The list of person contains different names and different ages. With this list, we are going to solve all this question. So let's start with the first one. Okay, print person list using streams. Okay, so we are going to start with list stream and we're going to do this one. System.out method reference print line. Let's see if it is working or not. Voila, it's working. So we can say that the first one is over, right? Let's see the second one. Print all the persons from person list whose age is greater than 30. Okay, so let's now go to the IDE. Okay, so now let's comment it out. We may need it in future for reference. So print all the persons from the list. Print all the persons from list whose age is greater than 30. Okay, let's start the string first. Okay, so here we need to filter the persons whose age is greater than 30. So let's filter. So we have to write the predicate. This is person and person whose age is greater than 30. Now let's see. We print system.out method reference print line. Let's run this one. Voila. So this is the answer. Let's go to the another one. Print only name from person list. Print only name from person list. Okay. Let's now open the ID. Let's comment this. Print from only name person. Very easy. Same as here is extracted. We need to transform it. So this is list. Again, we need to map all the person dot get for a system out dot print line. Oops, I forgot the method reference here. Okay, let's see if it is working or not. Voila, we got it. Now if you see here, we have you have mentioned here like person and the lambda expression and the name. So as per the rule, we can also use here, we can write this line. Let's comment it out. Now let's copy and person. Since We're using the same one. We can directly use the method reference here, and voila, it will work. So these are the two ways we can write. Now let's see the second one. So now we need another one. This is get total age of all persons in person list. Okay, so let's now open our IDE and do our operation. Let's comment this one. Don't worry guys, I will upload this in GitHub and I will provide the link. List stream dot. We need to filter. Okay, total age of all persons. Okay, fine. So we can all persons. So reduce it. So if we are going to reduce, it's not going to work. So we need to map and extract all the edges here. So here we are going to extract person get age. So we are going to reduce it. So let's write the initial parameter. Now write total, and this is like age. The expression total plus age. Write it and print it here. Will print. Let's see if it is working. I'll save it and run. Voila, it's working. So with this we completed this one, print total age of all persons in the person list. Now let's see the next one. Next one is get the list of persons who are older than 30. Okay, let's see. Let's open our IDE. Now let's do it. Now let's comment it. Okay, so get the list of persons who are older than 30. Okay, so we are going to print this one. Let's write another one. List of names older than 30. Okay, list stream. Now we need to filter all those. This one is like person, then person dot get age 30. So by this we are now filtering all the persons who are older than 30. Now we need to collect this one and we need to return it as list. Now let's print this list to see if it is working or not. And see, it is working. Paula 32, Paula 32, and Amra 31, Jack 72, Amra 32. Now let's see the next one. Get the list of names in uppercase of persons who are older than 30. Okay, now let's open our ID and do it. Okay, get the list of names. Okay, let's comment this one first. Get the list of names in uppercase of persons who are older than 30. So we need to store that person older than 30. Now let's write like stream. Now we need to filter it first because we need the persons who are greater than 30. So get age greater than 30. Now so need this one. Now we need to extract the names from there. Okay. Sorry, person, this person, reference, get name. Then we need to transform it to uppercase. Now we need to collect it to list. Okay, why? Okay, collectors, and here to write. Okay, now let's see if it is working or not. System.out.println. Okay, let's run this. Okay, got it. All are in uppercase and all the person who are older than 30. Okay, let's now see the next one. Get the unmodifiable list of ages from the person list. Okay, let's now open the IDE. Okay, so okay, let's comment it out. Get the unmodifiable list of ages from the person list. Okay, so we are going to get the person list. Okay, this is ages, so it is integer and list of ages. Now list stream. Yeah. Now we need to filter person who are older than 30. Okay, that is not required. Sorry, it is. It just requires the person list. So let's collect it. Collectors. Sorry, we need to return it. So we need to transform it first. So here we are going to do like person, then age. We need to extract the person here. So now collectors dot undo collectors. Okay, the Java8. So you are going can return this here. And we have collections dot unmodifiable list. So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so this is the map, and here we have the filter. Let's see if it is working or not. System.out.println print line list. So let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so here we have list of ages. Now let's see if it is unmodifiable or not. Do we have add here? Let's add something. What is happening? exception. See, unmodifiable collection. Okay, so let's see another one. Let's go to the another question. So this is get unique list of name in uppercase of persons who are older than 30. This video is getting bit lengthy. Let's complete it in another video. But before going, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.